What's up everyone, welcome back. So today's episode is going to be kind of unique in a way. We're going to help out my buddy use his kinetic rope. So right now he's installing it. He's going to be doing it for his video. And I'm just going to help him out. He's going to use my truck and give it a good tug, you know? Alright, let's get this video started.
You're good to go, alright?
Dude, that rope is thick, bro.
I know.
That is heavy duty.
I told you, dude. It's pretty
Jesus
quality.
Christ. So this video will be on Tim's YouTube, and yeah, we're gonna connect it to my. Well, he's gonna connect it for his video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to set your camera up before I get closer? Or?
So when you tow, you're gonna have to push this in a little more, but my tow hitch is too small for the kinetic rope to go in. So we're gonna use our strength to get it in there, but how are we gonna get it out?
Flathead screwdriver?
You have one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna test out the kinetic rope right now, and Tim's installing it on my truck for his video. Let's check it out.
Yeah, just start in neutral and I'll just do a quick pull.
Rubbing my hand up and down it. No loose strands, no fabric coming apart. So the link will be in my buddy Tim's description for this brand. Alright guys, hope you guys like this video of my buddy's Tim, his kinetic rope. All that information will be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.